So there's a photo that's out here with Kim Kardashian. She's posing on a Tesla. And I have to say her comments are lit up with people who are upset because right now Tesla is just not that company right now for a lot of people because of what's happening with Elon Musk and Doge and all that. In fact, I have to be real. Sometimes when I see a Tesla, at one point I want to throw eggs at it, but eggs are too damn expensive. So I'll just throw imaginary eggs at the Teslas. But on the real though, what are your thoughts on this? Should people buy Tesla? Should people be upset if someone buys a Tesla? What are your thoughts on that?
In case you needed another reason to unfollow Kim Kardashian, I just really want to make sure that the whole world knows that Kim is on the other side. Kim is Elizabeth Banks in the Hunger Games. After the Tesla stocks were plummeting and President Musk was crying in the White House, so his friend Trump said it's okay, you can bring the Teslas to the White House lawn, let us not forget.
What's your best of these cars? What do you think?
Well, the car that I drive is the Model S Plaid.
Which is that one?
It's that red one in the middle.
I like that, yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
She then proceeds to do an entire photo shoot with Elon's robot. She said, this is going to be my next husband. You know how they say don't get in bed with the devil? She said, I think I will. She said, let's hold hands and talk about all the trans people who are losing their rights. Because, you know, trans people never use makeup, Kim. What a smart business decision that you made here. I'm not convinced you're not a robot and always have been. None of this should surprise us because she's been besties with Ivanka since Trump's first term. Here they are, I don't know, they're saying gay people. What are we clapping about? I don't know, just do it so that my dad is happy. Okay, I'll do anything for him. I know what you're thinking. Isn't Kim's whole new thing, besides, bizarrely, being on American Horror Story, criminal justice reform? And yes, it was. You know what's great for criminal justice reform? Private prisons. People should get paid when other people have to stay in prison.
Kimberly Noel Kardashian. Kim Kardashian has made her stance clear. She stands on the side of HATE. Boycott Kim Kardashian, boycott KKW Beauty, boycott KKW Fragrance, Skims, Skin by Kim, Sky Partners, and Kimoji. And that's on period. Need we say more? Need we say more? Because, ladies and gentlemen, in case you live under a rock, if you didn't know, Madam Kimberly Noel Kardashian decided to go on the internet. Meanwhile, everybody is angry on the internet that, hey, we need to boycott Tesla because Tesla is meddling in American politics. We don't see a reason why a car brand can have a lot to say in American politics. So if Elon Musk cannot differentiate between being a person, a billionaire who has businesses that we can support, he wants to become the president of our country, we are not going to stand for it. The fact that Trump woke up and he told the entire world how he wants people to buy Teslas from the White House instead of literally doing the most for his people, we are deciding we are distancing ourselves from Tesla. Kimberly said, you know what, I think the best thing to do is to go do a photo shoot with a Tesla and Tesla robots. And people are not having it, rightfully so, as they should. So if a boycott is supposed to happen, ladies and gentlemen, let the boycott start. I love that she came out and put her stance clearly, so you have no confusion. So when we wake up as black people and say, if you support this person, you're supporting A and B and C, you are doing rightfully so. If you wake up and be on this side, you're doing rightfully so. She told you where she belongs. You wake up and go buy, go buy Skin by Kimberly. But Kimberly wants segregation. Yeah, Kimberly wants segregation. Kimberly wants Tesla robots. Kimberly wants Elon to be president. Kimberly wants Americans to be out of medical insurance. Kimberly wants everything that Elon Musk wants. And that's no cap.
Guys, let's keep it 100. Kim Kardashian never met a dollar she didn't like. And now the internet says boycott Skims. Why? Because Kim K pulled up draped in Tesla, flanked by robots. And they're saying she's here to break the Tesla boycott. Let's talk numbers. Tesla stock down, sales slumping, Elon still Eloning. And ever since he's loving with Trump, some people are saying that they're done with Tesla. But Kim sees a moment, a mood, a marketing move. And let's not pretend that she doesn't know how this game goes. Skims is a $4 billion brand, the NBA's official underwear partner, selling out shapewear faster than a Birkin drop. So the real question is, should we be shocked that Kim will do anything for the bag? Is Kim K cancelled for real this time?
I wasn't gonna say nothing. I be trying to leave Kimmy alone, y'all. I try my hardest to leave this baby alone. Y'all cannot tell me that there is no agenda attached to all of this. I'm just gonna say all of it. Y'all catch it. I don't know. There is a full agenda. There is a full agenda. It didn't stop here. This is the one that pissed me off. This wasn't it though. This wasn't it. This was just half. So I had looked up and I'm like, I was scrolling on Instagram. I'm like, what's happening here? I first seen just the robots, right? So I'm like, I'm getting irritated because it's clearly an agenda that is being pushed with technology, with the robots, and she has been headlining it every single time. Kimmy is drastically misreading the room, as always.
Is Kim Kardashian a Republican? The latest Perfect magazine cover shoot sees Kim Kardashian posing with an Optimus robot and a Tesla, both designed by a close friend of Donald Trump, alleged Nazi, and renowned Republican Elon Musk. Unsurprisingly, the shoot has caused a shitstorm online, with fans accusing Kim Kardashian of being out of touch. This, combined with her friendship with Ivanka Trump, and the fact she posted a picture on inauguration day of Melania Trump to her Instagram story, has fans fearing that Kim might be in her Republican era. Although that would be at odds with Kim's liberal-leaning work in criminal justice reform, it wouldn't be a huge surprise. After all, Kim is a billionaire, likely being taxed less under Trump, and has always stayed pretty silent on political matters.
Kimmy is drastically misreading the room, as always. She poses, this is just upon the new, what do you call it? Y'all have been protesting concerning Teslas, concerning Elon Reeve Musk, okay? Yep, that's his middle name, Elon Reeve Musk. And it's clear that there is an agenda. They know that she has influence. If y'all don't see this stuff by now, by this point, it is so blatantly clear. And that's what pisses me off. Everybody want to act like Bible prophecy not happening. Everybody want to believe that we are conspiracy people. Everybody want to believe we just be on this app just yapping. No, we're yapping with a purpose. It is so clear that right on the cusp of him dropping all of this money, stocks going down, with Tesla, all of a sudden she poses and making a big deal that she's promoting Tesla. Now, I don't know if she's a paid model. Maybe she's a paid model. Who knows? Who really knows? As always, these people with all this money, you know, it's just so out of touch, the timing of it. She made a statement in the interview, and she basically was saying that she thinks it's so funny because she thinks she's so robotic. So since when have you thought you was robotic? Since when have you thought, you ain't never said that you felt like you was robotic? Not only it's funny how I feel like I'm robotic. Timing is everything. You didn't learn anything from Beyonce when she had some stuff coming out and everything hit the world, all hell hit the world, and she said, I'm putting it on pause. You didn't learn that? She read the room. That's what she did. She didn't release all her stuff that she wanted to release for Cowboy Carter. She said it's going to be on pause because I forgot something dramatic happened in the world. It was a bunch of people lost their lives or something like that, something very serious. And she said, I'm going to read the room. It's not about me. But instead, it seems as if you're posing with the vehicle. The whole thing is irritating me because it makes me feel agenda-led, agenda. Right off the cuffs of y'all favorite principals sitting up here promoting the same vehicle in front of the White House. It's just so confusion. This screams agenda. This screams I am with the agenda. This screams I want to be the influencer of the robots, of the new age, the new golden age. I am influencing you guys and we're going to go against the grain. This is what it's screaming. And people think there's no hidden agenda. This is blowing me. There's no hidden agenda. You can't tell me they didn't pay her. I don't know. I'm not saying they did. But you can't tell me that they didn't. Do y'all know what she be? I'm not going to go there. She used to charge. Maybe her rates is, she used to charge $1 million a post. $1 million a post. I'm done. If y'all don't think this is an agenda, y'all tell me what y'all think this is.